everybody, my name is Jacob Babatuan, and today we're gonna make a delicious parfait. Before we make our parfait, we should wash our hands first. This is for safety and hygiene purposes. Before we cut our fruits, let's make sure it is washed properly and make sure the knives in the cutting board are washed too. When cutting fruits, it is required to have adult supervision. This is to avoid any cuts or injuries and even harm.
Here are the ingredients: mangoes, blueberries, yogurt, granola bar, chia seeds, in a jar or a cup.
First, pour the yogurt. Next, add the mangoes. Next, add the granola bar. Next, add the blueberries. Next, add the chia seeds. Then, repeat the process.
Then cover the jar and put it in your refrigerator. After a few hours, the parfait is ready to serve.